How to attract more customers and cash to your woodworking business. When you're just starting out in business, there are two things you probably need more than anything else. Number one is customers, and more of them, and number two is cash flow. Every business needs to generate cash by selling more items to more people. Customers and incoming revenue are a perpetual need of every business. But the need is never greater than it is when a business is just getting going. Once you're well established, you'll likely have numerous customers, referrals, and walk-in buyers, by default, making life much easier. And you won't have to spend as much money on marketing as you would otherwise need to do. The way to increase your woodworking business and make more money essentially boils down to these three ways, taught by business guru J. Abraham. Number 1, sell to more people. Increase the number of customers you sell to each month. And the way to do this is by really marketing your business. Combine advertising with word-of-mouth marketing and let your target market know about you and how you can help them get the kind of specialty woodwork they can get from you. Spread the word about your woodworking business. Use ads on your vehicle and other cost-effective tools like business cards, postcards, and flyers to promote your business. If people don't know about you, they can't do business with you. Communicate the benefits your business offers, and attract more interested prospects. Then work on turning more of these potential buyers into paid customers. Number 2, increase the dollar value of your average customer transaction. When a new customer selects an item to purchase, think about what other items could you also offer. Your best bet is to have a wide variety of products and services that you could also suggest at the time of purchase. Think in terms of the classic upsell from McDonald's. Would you like fries with that? You might offer a discount on the second purchase, but only if they take it home today. If you sell crafts, always have a price for one, and a price for two. Make it more enticing to grab 2 items instead of just one. For example, you might list one item at $12. Or, they could get 2 of the same item for $20. Since crafts make great gifts, this is an easy thing to sell. Make the price more attractive on 2, and you will encourage more people to pick up a couple of knickknacks. Number 3, get every buyer to buy from you more often. Repeat buyers are golden. You've already sold them on your quality workmanship and your way of doing business. So it takes zero effort and marketing dollars to get them to buy from you again and again. But it's important that you, as a woodworking business owner, facilitate the process. Connect with your customers on a somewhat frequent basis, and let them know about your new products or services. Give them VIP passes to your customer appreciation events, and first dibs on your new creations, even offer a special discount. The more you connect with your happy buyers, the more these same customers will come back to buy from you again and again. There you have it, 3 powerful ways to increase your woodworking business. Find more customers. Get those customers to buy more every time. And get them to come back and buy more frequently. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. To grab your ultimate guide to launching a successful woodworking business, click the link below.